Hey babes, it's Deme B and welcome to the Adventures of Tipsy Upon Arrival. I want to share with you the hotel I stayed at while in Tulum. This Hilton all-inclusive was amazing, breathtaking. Check out this amazing resort located 30 minutes outside of Tulum Central. So take note of that and enjoy this video.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the ground.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, for my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby,
We're sipping some Dos Equis. Is that how you pronounce it? Dos Equis.
No. It's here. We will drink it.
Don't leave no stone unturned.
None. Even though we will drink beer. We will drink this beer.
It's not bad though.
It's not.
I ain't going home to drink it, but if I was somewhere and I was eating crabs and this all they had, I would drink it.
I went.
baby, love don't cost a dime.
Benefits for this day, it was worth it. So far, the one negative is you have to wait for the golf cart to come around and pick you up. They run every 10 minutes, but the problem is one just came and it's full. So that means you have to wait again for another one. I don't like that.
It's not working.
I need a snack, like a cup of tea,
We need breakfast.
coffee,
Anything. Some
a
bacon.
bagel. So we'll wait and see how long we gotta wait again. Having breakfast. Smoked salmon, pancakes, biscuit. What was this? It was some type of beef. I'm gonna try it. Oh, no, this one was beef. It's beef and sauce.
Got you.
Little bit of guacamole, but the star of the show is my favorite, oatmeal. Here's to the birthday girl. All of the snacks. You wanna never, you had a okay, Bob. Wanna be, but I gotta go right now. We're off to our next location. We're still on day 2. This pool is gorgeous. But we got plans, baby. We gotta get back to the room. And we got to go. You hear me? We got to go. So look, you know I like to push checkout. I think we got like 20 minutes for checkout. I don't even know. I'm saying 20. I don't even want to know the real time. We got off at the wrong stop. We still got in the pool when we got off at the wrong stop. Now we're trying to get back to our room. We both want to take 2-minute showers, get dressed, and we're off to our next location.
Beach club.
Beach Club, Victoria birthday. And we're off.